left, down, right, up.
And now she's doing it again.
Okay, don't waste the fucking missiles. I could have got it accomplished. Cocky asshole. Okay. Alright, I'm ready.
Yeah, this is a better start than last time. Considering by this time last time, all your missiles were gone.
I don't know if I should use the missiles on his like little ships.
I guess it's up to you.
I really don't want to.
It takes forever to kill them.
No, and then they also hit me.
I probably wouldn't have shot the one that you'd already shot with several machine guns, so it's almost dead probably. But you know, I know.
Yeah, yes.
I'm not trying to be a backstreet driver here.
Backstreet driver. I can just keep like 2. It'll be okay.
Yeah, I'd save my last 2 for like the last 2 engines back there.
This.
Why wouldn't you be shooting when you could have gotten 3 shots in on them?
Big fan. I definitely have a lot more health than last time.
Yeah. And shooting the missiles, and then shooting the engine. And one last engine, so he's probably gonna drop mines like a crazy man.
I'm just like throwing any semblance of caution that I had to go in just to get that accomplished. Can I just say, this is one of my fears to
Die in space?
no, dying in space is fine. Being in space and being shot down. Because
Why is that your fear? Because that's not a thing that's gonna happen.
I know it's
to
not
you.
gonna happen, but like, how shitty would that be?
But that is not helpless located threat.
Dude, she's alive!
This was people Clank.
Bitch, where are your pupils at?
In an unprovoked attack.
She's one of him.
Seems certain that
Oh, the level that she's on? That level sucks.
Destroy the galaxy for his own selfish needs.
Who the fuck is that
It's
guy?
Doc Brown.
Seems lost.
Yeah, he's gonna die.
Yeah. Oh man, I thought she got by a grimer. Let's go. Am I done here?
Yeah,
Oh, what?
and you have a new ship.
Look at this X-Wing right here.
Yeah, I think that's Quarks. Or maybe Drex. I don't know, it's a nice thing
That's
though.
fucking sweet.
And I mean, you could go back for your ship, but nah, you'll just take this one.
That hunk of junk. Just fucking leave it.
Gotta find survivors of the Blarg attack.
Blarg.
Gotta search the destroyed city.
Okay. Whatever you say. I'm just doing this to get on TV. They're shooting the news there. What?
Oh.
Parrot.
Oh yeah, you can't use Clank on this level. That's why this level sucks. Because it's raining and thundering so hard, you gotta leave him in the ship.
Oh. But,
So you have no like jetpack or anything on this level.
But I seem to recall him getting frozen multiple times and being okay.
You should probably check, see if there's anything new at the Gadgetron.
I got some great
Tesla Claw. That's, as you might guess, a gun that shoots electricity.
Yeah, that sounds cool, but god damn.
Yeah, it's quite a bit.
That's a real beauty.
But should you come across that kind of money?
Just find it. Just find that kind of money.
Yeah.
Ain't gonna be anytime soon.
Not if you,
Just keep buying shit.
yeah.
I just wanted to treat myself. Oh,
Yeah, why not hang out on that?
I've done that. Oh, great. Just bought some of that. Bought some of that bullshit. Oh, Clank, is it thundering and raining too hard?
Well, lightning can really fuck his shit up. There's a magnet boot part, there's a taxi that'll take you to a different part, and there's that part with fighting everybody part.
Fighting everybody seems.
Yeah, I mean, you gotta go every way eventually.
Oh, shit.
Oh yeah,
They
this,
can do electricity.
yeah, that's their new thing on this level.
Oh, what the fuck? Is it raining too hard for you? Love a doom.
Nah, they're fine.
You take care of all these. I don't want no part of that. What is this? Wait, is this the future? Why
Yeah.
is there a phone booth? What?
Cell phones had not quite blown up the way they did when this game came out. I mean, most people had cell phones, but not smartphones, definitely.
Definitely not.
That was a smart move.
Yeah. I thought about using the Visibomb.
Visibomb would have taken it out in one hit,
Yeah, probably should have.
but you probably would have fired 3 shots before you hit it.
Yeah.
So either way, same effort.
Oh no, how am I gonna call home?
Couldn't use that other one. How are you gonna change into your Superman costume?
Yeah, I'm gonna go. I gotta do some cosplay.
Man, those guys fuck you up.
God damn, it's ridiculous how much they fuck.
And they go back in their hidey hole.
Cool, didn't even just waste.
Did they go home and get stoned? I don't know how that song goes.
I would hope you would. Oh god, no. Oh, a lot of them.
There's a lot going on up there.
There's a lot of action.
Ah, there's that ship up there too.
Oh, I didn't even notice the ship.
Yeah, the ship's what's firing the big mines. So, and it flies away if you get too far away.
Oh. How close I gotta be this close? I think if I... Yeah. Ooh, that was lucky as fuck. I will admit it.
Now there's gonna be a few guys left. And they shoot the electricity, so getting close to them is bad.
It's bad, you say?
Yes. And you gotta start from the beginning. Maybe you want to try another way first.
Yeah. Let me get this, crazy text.
Yeah, I think that takes you to like a swing shot area.
Oh, okay. That's Upper City, yeah. How else are you gonna get around Upper City? I'm ready. I'm ready for it.
Okay, if that ship spots you in its light, you're gonna have a bad time.
Let's say, just don't backtrack. Oh shit, having a bad time. These boxes will protect me.
Oh, will
They
they?
didn't protect me! Holy shit, that thing is freaking out.
Yeah, I turned on all the security.
Oh.
Gotta take out their nest.
The salt wall is doing it. They are real pissed. They are right behind me. Just take out my fucking nest.
Oh, there's a nest up there too.
Oh, I was like, how? I was like, what the fuck?
I don't even know how you gonna be doing that.
I don't either.
I'd say go now. And you. Yeah, this way's so much easier.
It would be if I wasn't an idiot.
Just don't get seen.
That's what I tried to do last time.
Well, it worked a lot better this
Yeah.
time.
Infinitely good.
So, you still got those guys, but you don't have turrets to deal with, so somewhat better. Oh, but I guess those turrets are on anyway.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna fuck with you guys. Oh, unless you bring it to me. Don't bring that shit to me, man.
Don't start no shit, won't be no shit.
Start shit, get ready.
If you don't give a damn, we don't give a fuck. What?
What?
That's the lyrics of that song.
No, I mean like saying what to what he said. You don't
Yeah.
get that when you're what? What did I say? What? What came out of my fucking mouth? Why did I write that down?
I don't think Lil Jon writes his lyrics down. Oh.
This is like some prison shit right here.
Yeah, that's some straight up more Metal Gear Solid.
Oh, fuck. Already fucked.
Already. All those turrets. Don't go into first person
I
with
didn't-
turrets everywhere.
Not my intention.
Okay. I think you're safe for now.
Where did he go? I cannot believe I survived that.
And there's a swing shot over there. Not that one.
That
That one to the left.
That? Oh, okay. I was like,
Yeah, you gotta wait for it to come around.
As I'm saying, I don't think I can make that one that's inside the building.
A moving swing shot?
What?
Wow.
And we don't have cell phones?
Man, that turning while it's already going in a circle, that gave me some vertigo.
Did it?
Yeah.
The song by you too? You heard that in your head?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Sorry, I had to hear it.
Lindsay says she can only handle one more episode and then she's gonna skedaddle. Even though
Fuck. I ain't even dealing with
this might not even be that long of an episode. She sucks. She might kill herself.
I did not get hit at all then. Oh, probably gonna. Ooh. Like that strategy.
Yeah, because that's totally what you meant to do.
Yeah. Full on. That seems to be rude. Oh shit.
I put on for my city. Do you know what I put on?
What do you put on?
Deodorant.
That's good.
For my city.
Your city likes that.
Yeah.
Ooh, that was some legit Spider-Man shit right there.
Oh, and all this is for an info bot.
They don't even like me.
They give you, or is it for? Yeah, that's an info bot.
Could I have grinded that?
No.
Okay, I'm glad I asked because I was totally gonna try to grind that.
Oh my god. Oh my god. And back to the start.
Oh. I don't even care. Do you see how long my ears are? Long hair. Long ears, shit. Pardon me. You are offending me, sir.
Why even bother, like, destroying that stuff if you're not gonna fight the enemies?
This was the bad time to go, or the best.
Just climb the ladder, you ain't gotta fight them.
I need to break that. No, see if I would've.
Yeah, I feel like you'd make a lot more progress if you didn't kill every enemy every time you died. Yeah, that's definitely
Stop!
not.
Stop!
That's not the right side of the
Do you know how to use a ladder? Do you know how to use a ladder?
Is Lindsay getting? Oh, she got seen. What a surprise!
Okay. I'm gonna just for real try to run.
Alright, so far so good. But I have no faith in you to keep it up.
Don't even care. One
Yeah.
minute ain't a damn thing.
You got so much health. You can take all the bullets. As
I
long
didn't
as
get
all
it
the
once.
bullets are less than 3 bullets.
I didn't get it once during that barrage.
Okay.
Well,
Now this time don't jump off of your taxi. That's always a bad idea. Welcome home.